Okay, folks, you see the determination in my eyes? What should we call today? Adventure Thursday? Or if we wanted to be more accurate, aggravating pain in the rump, high heat, high humidity Thursday. We're going to be checking out the AC on this 2000 Express van. We might drive the Jeep, I don't know yet. But we're also going to be getting, we don't have to do much. We have someone who has promised, it says they're coming and they're very excited about getting this 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee this weekend. And I really hate to let this thing go. I've said I'd never sell it. Bought it new April of 95. 400,000 miles. This Jeep and I have traveled some trails. But it's time for someone to take it. It's set for 2 years, no insurance on it. It's in good shape, needs tires. But I think you could drive it anywhere. I think he's going to drive it back to Savannah. I don't know if he's going to tow it or drive it, but if he's going to drive it, he's going to bring some tires and swap them out. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to take the money from that and invest it in the YouTube channel. We're going to renew our FAA certification, drone certification, get us a updated or newer drone and start using it for our videos. One that we can narrate and tell about what's going on as we're filming. And we may even get another submersible drone. Here's a look at the shop cat. She's coming up here with me. Meow, meow. A lot of times she'll follow me around. Meow, meow. The shop foreman, the guardian of the shop, walks the perimeter, makes sure there are no critters around. But we will also be working on the AC on the 2019 Express van. It started leaking down too. First thing we're going to do, we're going to pop the hood on that one, take the air filter off. And we are going to check all the connections on that. It's got a, well, the compressor and air and the dryer are, I guess, 2 years old, maybe 3 years old now. We're going to check that and see if there's any loose connections. We may fill it up with Freon. We filled it up with Freon a couple of weeks ago and it's leaked back down. But we may put some dye in it. We've got our test light, but we don't have any of our yellow glasses. So we're going to have to get yellow glasses. Or Frank said he had a sniffer that could sniff the Freon leak. So I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out. We may do that. Saw a doe up here yesterday with triplets. Triplets running across up there. I've seen as many as 15 deer out there, maybe even 20 out there in Frank's field. So we will be, and I'm not sure, I really like this van here. I really like it. It's got the auxiliary heat and air in it, and it runs and drives great. But I've got to put a compressor and a dryer on it. And in these vans, these things, there's just not any room to work on. It's just, and I don't like working on vehicles anymore, as y'all know. What's up, shop cat? You got a wild eye look in your eye. What kind of look was that? It looked like an attack cat look, flipping that tail. Her fur is furred up. What's going on, shop cat? I'll get you some grass so you can puke. Look at that wild eye look in her eye. Don't get in shop cat's way. She's coming to get a rub on my leg. Hit me with her tail and keep going. Okay, girl. Well, this stuff isn't getting done. Us sitting here running our mouth about it, is it? Oh, me. So, let's turn this off, start uploading it, and get going with this stuff. It's early, so we want to be finished by 9:30 or so. We will be building a 4-foot lattice fence next week. I need to get the air going on these vans so I can get material. And get material probably Saturday or Sunday after that guy comes and gets the Jeep. Okay, well, let's wrap this up and start uploading it.
You just gotta love that old locomotive.